Afternoon, Purple Pot. Today we finished estimating products. Question for you. Can you round and estimate products?
Yes.
Another word for estimate is to find.
About.
So about. An estimate is about. About how much? About how many? We use estimating, or we use rounding and benchmarks to help us to estimate, right?
Yes.
You guys know what rounding is, but a benchmark is new to us. A benchmark is a well-known
Number.
that is what?
Easy to calculate with.
Easy to calculate with. Compatible numbers. Compatible means that something that goes well together. Pancakes and syrup. Compatible numbers would be numbers that go well together. They're easy to calculate with when they're together. 8 times 10, what is it?
8.
You can do that one quick because they're compatible numbers. I'm not going to talk about rounding, you guys. We've been working on it all weekend. Wake up. You guys can round. If you can't round, if you're struggling with rounding, we got to get this figured out, and we practice it for 4 days. We got to put that effort in to get rounding figured out. But we're going to talk about this one, estimating products. What does this symbol mean right here? About. Okay, so we need to know how to estimate because it helps us to see if we have a reasonable answer. And we need to know how to estimate because it helps to make the math easier and faster, right?
Yes.
24 times 39, we actually solved it right there, right?
Yes.
Those two numbers aren't real compatible. They don't go well together, but we can still solve the problem. If we wanted to make the math a little bit faster and a little bit easier, we could change these numbers to benchmark numbers that are compatible, numbers that go well together. So give me a number close to 24 that is an easier number to calculate with. 25. We can count by 25. A lot of users we can count by 24s. Give me a number close to 39 that is easy to calculate with.
40.
Pretty much any number that ends with a 0 is going to be a pretty nice number. So 25 times 40, you guys know that if you multiply the non-zero numbers, 25 times 4, which is what? 100, and then you add in the 0, 1,000, you can do the math quickly, easy, in your brain.
Yes.
For the most part, right? You can count 25, 50, 75, 100, count by 25, right?
Yes.
We then talked about making these T-charts. One side of a T-chart is our estimate, one side is the actual. If you were to estimate using this number, what is 3 and 8/10 close to?
4.
So we said 3 and 8/10 is about 4. What is 6 and 200 close to?
6.
So we said 6 and 200 is about 6. Is it really easy to calculate 4 times 6?
Yes.
What is it?
24.
Is it really easy to calculate 3 and 8/10 times 6 and 200ths?
Yes.
Is it really easy?
No.
Not really. We have to do all this work right here, right?
Yes.
Is my final actual answer pretty close to my estimate?
Yes.
So are these answers, are we feeling good about these answers?
Yes.
We good?